Hi friends, how are you today? I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Today, we're going to be unboxing the TrueCoat 360 DS. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos. So now it's time to test it out. So we're gonna add some paint. So it comes with 4 plastic containers. Now we're gonna attach this part to the paint. Now we're gonna make some suction. Okay, so let's give it a try. This is prime. So this is my first time trying it. This is 1 coat of paint. This thing is amazing. You get a better quality finish versus a roller or brush. It's easy to use and painting is so much faster. Thanks for watching!